Welcome to Chat Free TV. He did it again. Vybz Kartel did it again. And this time, with a simple message, Vybz Kartel has proven why he's called World Boss. Let's break it down for the people who don't understand the magnitude of what Vybz Kartel pull off in the past couple of days. People, you know say I Show Speed are one of the biggest people them on social media in the whole wide world. I not talk about just Jamaica. I Show Speed are one of the biggest content creators in the whole world. And I Show Speed come to Jamaica. And less than a week, Vybz Kartel is on top of the media again. And me see them something here. And I say, yo, Vybz Kartel are going to live in the media forever. You can't stop him. You cannot stop Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel is a master of the media. And remember, Vybz Kartel have a magnificent run. Just coming off a fantastic collab with Chris Brown. Don't mess up. Bro, come on, man. Are the best in the world. Me never go use the fact say, yo, the man a big man and the man rich and him can't do anything when he want to do with money. Me not go use the fact say, yo, Vybz Kartel already do things bigger and better. You not live like Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel already do things out of the league. And me see it play out every day. And that is where you get the confusion say, yo, Vybz Kartel I think like how you think. And that is a big misconception. Victory! What people don't understand is what they try to fight the most. Vybz Kartel will live forever. And you cannot stop him. The only way you can stop Vybz Kartel and is if you stop watching. And that is like telling you don't breathe. That will never happen. Man like Footer Hype. For example, Footer Hype claim him know all of the ins and outs of Vybz Kartel and him, rate Vybz Kartel and this, that, taranat. But yet still, a video like that come up on your internet, on your phone screen and you are going to sit down and watch that. You can't tell the underpants size, you can't tell what brand him a wear, you can't tell the bonnet, you can't tell what right on the bonnet. Bro, you is too invested. Anybody in their right mind, when something come up by your phone screen and you see it, you allow that for the woman them, it was not made for you. It was not made for me. Me nah go sit down there and watch no man and a double play and figure make video about it. And me see Alkaline, like him a co-sign something, and that the man they blatantly say, but he watched that a brother and him thing, the brother. So me can't understand. But Vybz Kartel show why him is the leader. Vybz Kartel show why him is on top for all these years. Because you guys don't have a clue. You guys cannot stop him. And things like this just prove. Say, yo, look on it. The man already a beaten in every field possible. Come from jail. More stage show, more work, more girls, more money. Buy new house, buy new car, be a new collab. And you guys still I got poor in a poor state. I got jump on a thing and I go vlog and I promote Vybz Kartel and him new song. All the people them were so-called hate Vybz Kartel so much. Welcome to Chat Free TV. This move from Vybz Kartel just show me say, yo, dancehall is doomed. At this point, you have no contender for your potential leadership because everybody just sit down and them are wait to see what Vybz Kartel do, where them can capitalize, where them can get a boss. If you follow your shadow for the rest of your life, you will always be in last place. The people who criticize the most, when I call upon them, there is nowhere to be found. What people are going to say, and what people are going to do, and what people are going to think, don't matter. And that is to us, the common people. Imagine Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel taxes when I pay alone. None of you guys will never see that. But yet still, you take a number of your time. And you pass the remarks, you go build one YouTube channel or something so you can potentially capitalize. So you come now, you make all this free promotion for Vybz Kartel, and you never give yourself a chance to build a YouTube channel and say, yo, at least you talk about this man and this man done rich already. Give yourself a chance so you can get one viral video and get monetization and potentially get some money. Welcome to Chat Free TV, where everybody have a voice. And this topic is not a topic where I like to talk about, because you know, I don't like to talk about like the man them thing where sound like me even was celebrate the dog them when the dog them getting a legal trouble car. You don't know anything go. But me I say country hype, me never know say a man like you where already I make food already would I get caught up in a something like that. Low that for the man them where own food and don't have a choice. You understand what I mean? You don't have other things that go on with already. You don't make food already, bro. You understand what I say? Low them thing them man, and you don't dip on the ground like that. You probably appreciate like say, yo, you know they are Jamaica, so when you go so boom you know, I know the thing go. One thing they are St. Thomas, and the same thing we got St. Thomas and they are Mobia do thing, they are Wochia do thing, and then it come back and St. Thomas come do thing again. You know the thing go already, brother. Lord them thing there for the man them where a catch a joining man where a catch a straw. Country hype. Wrong place, wrong time. You know what, in a them thing, I mean, never go past no bad remark, because at the end of the day, me can't tell about a man life and where a man do what him do. But pick sense out of nonsense. And if the US government can identify, say you send 30 pieces of thing, them attract ammunition, them attract this and them attract that. But guess what? It not gonna be country hype alone, because guess what? Now Jamaica have to go get involved. Jamaica have to go find these receivers and explain how these are coming into the ports. Again, it's not a good look for Jamaica, knowing the fact that we are coming off of some back-to-back good. We have mash up dancehall, we come back again, we do a good thing with speed. Whole heap of controversy, but whole heap of good work. But this by country hype, it was not one more have to cover. Chat Free TV, make sure to subscribe. Believe me or not, Vybz Kartel was very much needed in a dancehall, because now that Vybz Kartel come back and I run things from one level, enough of the artists them have to put in real work. Enough of the artists them can't just come, them give the people them one little piece of something. When the people them start for real and now, them not have not, them have to come good. And that is why I say, yo, dancehall is in good hand. Dancehall is in good leadership. I like to see it. My next concern is the condition of where life is right now. If Vybz Kartel continue this right now.
See me say, you know, say, it's me, a DJ Farmer, I did the teacher, Vybz Kartel, world boss.